Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay, giving you an update on the Pinnacle development. Now the Pinnacle is now at 17 floors. This development is moving at lightning speed. This development this tower we're looking at is going to be 28 floors. It will be the tallest building in Jamaica and the tallest building in the Caribbean. And they are actually building four towers at 28 floors each out here. That tall one is Tower 1, to the left is Tower 2, and to the right, where that white building is a shopping complex. So this one it's moving very fast. Very impressed with how they're building how this development is being built. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think they'll reach 28 floors by the end of this year? If they continue at the pace they're going, I think they'll reach 28 floors long before December 2025 on this tower. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on this development, the Pinnacle. Jamaica's real estate and tourism landscape is undergoing a dramatic transformation, and at the center of this evolution stands the Pinnacle, a bold luxury development poised to redefine high-end living in the Caribbean. Located on the scenic Redding Peninsula in Montego Bay, this US $350 to $450 development or mega project is not only Jamaica's most ambitious residential complex to date, but is also a symbol of the country's growing appeal as a global luxury destination. With its state-of-the-art design, environmentally conscious features, and significant economic implications, the Pinnacle is set to become a defining feature of the Jamaican skyline and economy. The Pinnacle is designed as a mixed-use residential resort-style community, occupying 17.5 acres of oceanfront land. The centerpiece of the development will be four 28-story towers, each representing a new era of vertical luxury living in Jamaica. In total, the complex will house 423 luxury residences and 15 private villas, offering 1 to 5 bedroom units, penthouses, and ultra-exclusive villas with panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. The project is being led by LCH Developments, with the promise of one of the four towers will operate as a globally recognized luxury hotel brand. This integration of residential and hotel services marks a significant shift in Jamaica's tourism offerings, aligning the island with international trends in branded serviced residences. Alright guys, that's just a quick summary of the development. Have to say, job well done. I'm really impressed with how fast this development is moving. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.